Hi guys, Barnes here, and today we are going to learn the fakie disaster. Fakie disaster is when you're rolling up backwards and doing a bit of fakie ollie and landing on the bottom of your board. You have to roll up the wall enough speed to clear the coping and get onto the top of the deck. Bounce your back wheels on the coping, aiming your back foot to the deck, and at the same time slide your front foot onto the nose and level out your board. As you get back to the ramp, shift your weight to your front foot and push down on your nose as you're rolling back. Make sure your back wheel is over the coping when you roll away, and be happy you didn't hang up, otherwise you have a disaster for sure. So, you'll learn how to do a fakie disaster. Take your new trick to the closest ramp and look out for the next video on Thursday. Hit subscribe, then go skate and have fun.